Fire. Here are the top 5 most dangerous volcanoes on Earth. 5. Mount Vesuvius, Italy, the killer of Pompeii, lurking near millions in Naples. 4. Mount St. Helens, USA, the mountain that blew itself apart in 1980, leaving devastation behind. 3. Mount Merapi, Indonesia, a fiery beast, constantly erupting and claiming lives. 2. Popocatépetl, Mexico, a ticking time bomb near Mexico City's 20 million people. 1. Taal Volcano, Philippines, small but deadly, its eruptions can trigger tsunamis, poison the air, and bury everything in sight. When will they strike again? No one knows, but the world is watching.